Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a slight unboxing for you. Due to recent events, I have been behind my recording schedule, so I do apologize to my little fans. I love you guys. I will always, of course, be here and I will let you know when things come up. So thank you all for sticking around. Let's go ahead and review I kind of cheated and I already opened the box. Sorry guys, and I've already been using the product. But a previous Boxy Charm. So in this one, I did actually receive a few Ace Beauty eyeshadows, which is cool. We have here Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Lashes. So I'm actually in need of a mascara because my Better Than Sex one actually ran out. So yay! That was actually really good timing. Let's hope it holds up. I do have a Becca loose powder. It's fantastic. And I do have some Wonder Macai Berry Antioxidant masks here. Ooh, can't wait for Skincare Sunday! Woo-hoo. Which will probably actually be happening tonight as well. And of course, and I do have the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This will be good for me. I'm actually just only recently started getting into the oils and more of my skincare routine. I used to be very, very diligent about it, and then I started slacking off, and I can tell the difference in my own skin especially when I'm applying product. So I do need to get back into it. So the face oil will help boost all that and get me back on track. Oh yeah. That concludes it for this old Boxy Charm. So I hope you guys like it. I know it was a very quick video, but again, I just want to say thank you for sticking around and stay tuned for more goodness coming right up.